How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna have just a small talk, small discussion, if you say, about the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Quick disclaimer, DJI did not send this drone. So I purchased the drone 3 weeks ago by myself. So let's talk about this Mini 5 Pro. And the reason for today's video is a few days ago, I did my first official flight with the Mini 5 Pro, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts with you guys. I was blown away by the footage of this drone. Actually, I'm gonna put some footage right now on the screen so you can see yourself. And this was a very easy flight. There was some issues with the wind when I was coming back, but yeah, other than that, this drone flies like a charm. It's very easy to fly. Let me think about the settings that I had on the video on that date. I think the normal profile color was normal. Also 4K 60. Sharpness was -1, I think, but pretty much everything was on standard auto mode. So no delock cam, and the footage was just fantastic. But yeah, I would like to talk about this drone in today's video. Even though I didn't receive this drone for free, I purchased the drone by myself. I'm gonna say quite good things about this drone. And the reason for today's video is because I was blown away. The footage of the Mini 5 Pro is just beautiful, especially if you fly in very magic hours after sunset. I'm planning to do also a low light performance, low light video, so stay tuned for that. Now, before I was planning to buy this drone, actually, because I was watching a lot of videos about the Mini 5 Pro with 1-inch sensor, and my initial idea was to buy the Air 3S because I was thinking, you know what, Air 3S probably is one of the best drones after the Mini 5 because it's bigger, it's got the same sensor, especially here in UK. I live here in UK, which is quite windy, and I think makes sense. Plus the camera is going to be the same. It's got the same features like smart return to home, and it's a bigger drone. And I believe, correct me if I'm right, from January 2026, I think we can fly sub 900 grams here in UK, same as the Mini 5 Pro, which I think it's fantastic news for the Air 3S owners. So I was thinking, should I buy the Air 3S? Should I buy the Mini 5 Pro? But again, the Air 3S, it's 300, 400 pounds more expensive than the Mini 5 Pro. And I was debating myself. I was thinking, do I need this drone? And when I bought it, I was not very excited, if I'm honest with you. But after I took the drone outside in the area where I live, also I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen so you can see the photos, the 50 megapixel photos. I was blown away, blown away, blown away, blown away. I just was shocked at how good it is, especially the picture quality. Forget about all the features, like this drone is packed with cool features, but just the picture quality was amazing. And when I flew the drone a few days ago in Croydon area, I was speechless. And you can see in the video, I'm gonna link the original video in the descriptions down below so you can see yourself the video if you haven't seen it. But and again, this was in standard color, no fancy editing, no color grading, standard auto. I think the sharpness was -1, I believe. And yeah, pretty much standard, and the footage was just beautiful. And I think I did a very good decision because the Mini 5 Pro, it's a very good drone, guys. So the Nano actually is overheating. If the video stops, is because the DJI Nano overheating. I don't know where is my phone. It's charging. Otherwise, I'm gonna show you. I hope the footage doesn't stop. Yeah, but the Nano is a different story. I'm gonna make a separate video about the DJI Nano, so stay tuned for that. But I think I did a very good decision buying this drone, because even though I was wanted the Air 3S, the Mini 5 Pro, it's great. So I don't blame you if you want to buy this drone. And many people saying that it's not a big deal, it's very close to the Mini 4 Pro, but I guarantee you 100% you will like to buy this Mini 5 Pro, even if you have the Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro, because yeah, this drone is just fantastic. It just makes sense. I think this year they packed this drone with so many cool features, and the camera, it's fantastic again. So let me know in the comments down below, guys. Do you agree with me? Do you think this drone is gonna be super popular even after 2 years, 3 years? Let me know if you have the Air 3S. Are you planning to upgrade? What about the Mini 4 Pro? Do you planning to buy the 5? Yeah, I'm just curious to check your comments down below, guys. So yeah, this is the video for today. Let me know what do you think. Subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you think about the Mini 5 Pro here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.